Crucial when it comes to changing the game. Shahzad was fed on the fair and played some delightful shots using the pace and ball, and then playing some bludgeoning strokes through the onside. Was looking to go big but was caught. A first goal, Ashraf providing them the early breakthrough, but Shahzad continuing to punish the poor deliveries on the leg stump. Slow delivery was picked up well. That's
them.
fine leg up in the circle, poor delivery shot, and
Hashmatullah Shahidi joined the party, and after that this was a beautiful shot from Shahzad Mohammadi, hitting a straight six. Hashmatullah Shahidi copying his mate and hitting another beautiful shot during the game. That was a beautiful shot from Shahzad Mohammadi. Straight shot, and he even waited for the pose that he normally does and reached his 50 in a style. So first 50 of the Etisalat 4G Shpageeza Cricket League. After that, Hashmatullah Shahidi continuing in his great form, also making a beautiful 60 plus in this game. This was a beautiful shot towards the cover. He looked in a scintillating touch, kept hitting the boundaries in a continuous manner and reached his 50 in a style appreciated by his teammates with a standing ovation. Hashmatullah Shahidi looked very happy. And then this was Ghamai also joining the party. Finally, this was the delivery where the game changed. The wicket of Hashmatullah Shahidi in the over of Waqar Salam Khair. A very good catch taken. And that's where they probably couldn't score extra 20 runs that they might well have, but they had a good hitting towards the end. This was Siddiq Pacha, who also lost his wicket, hitting the very first ball of Waqar Salam Khair for a 6, trying to hit it but losing his wicket in the process. That was a crucial over from Waqar Salam Khair, changing the perspective of the game a little bit until this happened. Ghamai Zadran continued and hit Waqar Salam Khair for 6, but then Shahidullah Kamal not able to contribute much and losing his wicket to a beautiful catch taken from Asghar Afghan, hurting his finger. This was Sharafuddin Ashraf taking the wicket of Safi, who hit him for a 6, but on the next ball he got out. And then it continued the falling of wicket, but at the same time the score kept coming as well. This was the last 2-3 balls. Mazari showing some entertainment, hitting the first ball for a 4, and the next ball he faced was for a maximum. Finally, this was a beautiful run out. Not reaching the other side of the wicket and losing his wicket.
well, when they come out to bat, but they are of the last ball of the over. Here is the highlights. That's what transpired in the second innings. 2 explosive batsmen to open the batting.
And we saw some interesting batting. Ghani coming in and registering each bowler with a 6, meeting them with a 6. It was a brilliant start that the Bande Amir will have wanted. Hazratullah Zazai equally hitting the ball all around, and this was a boundary of Noor Ahmad Lakhanwal until Noor Ahmad Lakhanwal finally got him out, and we'll see that. But until then we will continue to see the hitting, and this was, I think, this was the ball that he got Hazratullah Zazai out with. And then there was a beautiful partnership put together by Asghar Afghan and Usman Ghani.
Some innovative shots, and then the reverse. That's something new in Asghar's armory these days. Then some stylish shots from Ghani. Was silken and was very adept at taking those crucial runs, but when he decided to go for something different, deflection, getting to his half century in the process, Asghar Afghan was there dominating, and then he changed his role to more convenient way of batting. Then Noor Ahmad was punished for a boundary. Daulat Zadran came in, was hit down the ground by Asghar Afghan, and they needed some more efforts there. Then trying to give bit of room to himself and smack it through the offside. He was successful. Noor Ahmad once again changing the game second time around. That was the highlight of the match. Mazari in the field couldn't hold his smiles, his tears rolling down his cheeks there. What a moment, what a moment. Then very good comeback for Daulat Zadran coming in, bowling those full-length deliveries. He wanted them to, but then Sharafuddin Ashraf joined the party, hit one down the ground. There was a misfield there. Then looking to hit down the ground, was held on the boundary safely to make sure that they were there to give enough leverage to Shpageeza.
And this was the last over. This was the last over. Bowled by the captain. Got the wicket of MisAinakKnights. Then they knew that they had actually got their foot in. And until this happened, we thought that we were still in the game, but unfortunately for the Bandya